G'day everybody, I'm here today with the latest member of our pit crew, Dan. G'day Dan.
G'day.
Today Nigel, Dan and Liam's hiding over here in the background are going to repair the engine mount that someone broke on Bumpstop. Don't know who that was. I'm going with it was old and fatigued. I had nothing, a little bit to do with it. But so lots of things happening here today, but it's good to have Dan here and Liam as well.
Here on the side of the road, always put that underneath there. Because if this falls off, like I've had it before, on the side of the road, the bitumen has moved, it's come off the jack, my wheel, to save the car from dropping on top of it. I got out the road and just let it fall onto that, but safety all the time. Wheel under here, you've got a safety stand, your trolley, jack.
So what we're replacing is this broken engine mount. You might be able to see the hairline cracks in that. I believe it was old and fatigued and it had nothing to do with being launched hard on bitumen. I'm going with old and fatigued. But I'm glad I'm in the hands of Nigel and Dan to replace it, ready for our Carnacross event on the 3rd of March.
That's it, you're onto it. That's almost there. Right, yeah. Now, with them, they will go back in their order because if you need 1 mil bigger, you just go to the next socket. Put that on YouTube. How to flare the guards. Now what do we have to do? Cut a hole in it? No, good answer. What's next up here? Notice there's...
Oh, you have to take these 3 bolts.
Yep, take the gearbox away from there.
You have to... Oh no, that whole gearbox.
Yep, right, that is true. So we don't have to hold the engine up. And the other one?
You're making this look easy, Dan.
Not long bolts.
Look at that teamwork going on.
Which way did that come out?
That side.
Yep, and that way around.
There.
Right. It may have even been that way, because that's front. Right. Right, have a look at the new one.
You want to show us the old one, Dan? Show us where it was going.
There.
Oh yeah, someone did a good job of that, didn't they? I think it was just old. We're going with it was old.
That new?
Yep, that's how the other one was. Because when we tighten this one onto it, we have a look at there.
Yeah.
If you make them noises, it goes in quicker.
Yeah.
So there we go, Dan has done his first official duty as pit crew member for Team Bumpstop. High five. Well done, Dan. Ready for Carnacross, 3rd of March.